Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram post on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the social media button next to the whiteboards option, and you can find in the Instagram section, and go to the Instagram post option, and you can create an Instagram post, and in the design button you can find different templates, and just select one and step on it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.